trying to get back to my house up on the surface. All of my tunes gone, man, this is all wrong. I have no idea what to do. I won't give up, I remember all of the mobs after me. It's even harder now that I've got no weapons with me. It might be useless to bother, but is it worth it to try? And in this moment I see all of the ways to survive. I've got lots of food, I can make it through. Now I just need to get past all these mobs, sprint with all my might. But even with that, I might just die. I'm in a mine shaft trying to get back to my house up on the surface. All of my tools gone, where did I go wrong? I have nothing left I can do. Oh shit, that does exist. Please not get me home with all my shit. I've got my jumping out of random pits. One more fucking creeper, I'm losing. I made it past all the zombies, since they're the slowest mobs. Now they get past the spiders, they are swarming the walls. I think with one push I'll make it. I'm not expecting to go. Hey Brian, don't look behind. I've used up my food, got past the spiders. How could this get worse? I see the sunlight sprint with all I've got, but even with that I can't seem to move. I'm in a mine shaft trying to get back to my house up on the surface. All of my tools gone, where did I go wrong? I have nothing left I can do. If happy ever after does exist, please not get me home with all my shit. I've got my jumping out of random bits. One more fucking creeper, I'll lose it. 'Cause I'm in a mine shaft.